Good day, my name is Dylan, and today we are hacking into another product, the export of another product. The product is called Mica. Mica is also a product I've exported before. It's a naturally occurring minerals based on group of silicate mineral composed of varying amount of aluminum, potassium, magnesium, iron, water, having thin sheet-like, plate-like structure with different composition and physical properties. Mica mineral makes some rocky sparkle. They are very often seen in igneous rock, such as granite and metamorphic rock. They sparkle because light is reflected on their flat surface, which are where the mineral break along its plane of cleavage. Mica group contains of 37 minerals. Most common ones include muscovite, biotite, phlogopite, and lepidopite. All mica are silicate minerals, primarily containing aluminum, silicon, potassium, oxygen, with varying depending on the specific type, with variation rather, depending on specific type. Key properties: perfect basal cleavage allows splitting into thin sheet. That's the type that is good for export. It must exhibit pale or virtual luster ranging from transparent to opaque. Thin mica sheets are surprisingly strong and flexible, and mica is non-combustible and resists high temperature, making it valuable electrical and heat-resistant application. Mica can be found in North Central from Plateau to Jos, Southwest, Oyo State, Ogun State, and in other parts of the country, Kogi, Bauchi, and in Kaduna. The type usually used for export is called muscovite. The size, the thickness to be 0.015 to about 0.15 mm. Mica can be exported as raw sheet. And the demand for mica in the world is very small. The demand is just about $327 million. There is demand in China, there is demand in Germany, there is demand in the United States. The major buyer of this product, United States, 9.85%, followed by Germany, 9.45%. For one reason or the other, China is not a major buyer because China also exports mica. So let's move on to packaging now. Now, in terms of packaging of mica, so mica, not zinc, mica, mica is often transported in bulk due to its nature and widespread industrial use. Choose packaging material that meet the national shipping standard for bulk. Packaging material, use durable and moisture-resistant packaging material to protect mica from environmental elements. Ensure a secure and airtight seal to prevent the entry of water or moisture and dust and contaminant. Clearly label the product with essential information, including mica type, grade, net weight, and any handling instruction. If applicable, arrange packaged mica or pallet to facilitate efficient handling, loading, and unloading. Adhere to weight limit where required. Ensure also that you choose packaging material that offers sufficient impact resistance to protect mica from physical damage during handling and transportation to the destination. How about the documentation required? You notice documentation required is always similar in almost every cases, all the cases. Commercial invoice is required, packing list is required. If you don't know how this document look like, go online and Google them. Bill of lading, of course, you will need that to get from, you get that from the shipping line. Certificate of origin to know where it's coming from. Some country will require phytosanitary. Then you need to do export declaration processing NXP in Nigeria. There are need for inspection certificate to assess the type, the size, the thickness, the clarity, and of course the absence of impurities. Sometimes some country may require fumigation certificate and other permit. It's a mineral, so if you're exporting this product from Nigeria, you need a mineral trading license to be able to export this product. Like many other products, you need a mineral trading license as long as the mineral to be exported from Nigeria. What are the pitfalls you need to avoid if you are trying to export this product? If you are trying to export it from Nigeria, What are the pitfalls you need to avoid in order to if you are trying to export mica? Impurities and contaminants. The presence of impurities like iron, quartz, or other minerals can hinder the quality, can reduce the quality of mica. So implement effective beneficiation process, conduct thorough testing and analysis of mica samples, monitor and control level of impurities. Particle size. Now, this is not a product you crush. It's not a product you crush. Inconsistent particle size affecting quality and usability. Implement proper screening process to achieve uniform size. Some people want it in the flat form. Unless the buyer say it can be crushed to a uniform size, of course you go ahead and crush it. That then depends on what the buyer wants to use it for. Natural variation in mica color, which may affect aesthetics. So sort mica based on colors. Some are brown, some are red, some are black, some are green, some are light green muscovite. What is important is to sort the color so you export similar color, high moisture content leading to mold growth. Implement proper drying procedure before packing. Use moisture resistant packaging and storage method. Monitor and control moisture level during handling and transportation. If you want to know more about mica, get the export hack for mica. You want to get export hack for mica? There is contact in the description. Reach out to us and you'll be able to gain access to the online course explaining mica export. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you want to join our community, click on the subscribe button and click on the notification bell so you know when we upload a new video. Thank you very much for stopping by. My name is Dedayin, your export doctor, and I am signing out. Thank you very much. See you in the next video, and bye for now.